Well, welcome back to Lemwolf 368. Thank you for joining me as usual. Today we're going to be talking Google Maps. The biggest upgrade in a decade is finally rolling out, but there's a catch. Google Maps is getting what Google calls its biggest navigation upgrade in more than a decade. And if you've been waiting to try it, you might still have to be patient. A new poll from 9 to 5 Google reveals that many users still haven't received the feature, despite the rollout beginning months ago. So what's exactly new? Why is Google taking so long? And is this update worth the wait? Let's break it down. The headline feature is called Immersive Navigation. Instead of the traditional flat map we've all been using for years, Google Maps now creates a realistic 3D representation of your route. Buildings, overpasses, hills, terrain, traffic lights, line markings and crosswalks, even the road elevation, in a way that gives drivers a much better understanding of what's ahead. Google says it's designed to make complex junctions and unfamiliar road easier to understand at a glance. Navigation has also become more intelligent. The new system can preview alternative routes visually, making it easier to compare different options before you start driving. Voice guidance has been updated to sound more natural, while destination information now includes useful details like parking locations, the best entrance to use. Alongside Immersive Navigation is another major addition called Ask Maps. This is Google's Gemini AI built directly into Maps. Instead of searching with keywords, you can ask conversational questions like, "Find me a cafe with outdoor seating that's quiet," or plan a road trip with scenic stops and EV charging. Google says Ask Maps draws on information from more than 3 million places and hundreds of millions of users' reviews to generate personalised recommendations. So why is everybody talking about a rollout? Because despite Google announcing the feature back in March, availability has been anything but universal. The latest 9 to 5 poll suggests that a significant number of users still don't have immersive navigation, while others have only received parts of the update. That's because Google is using a gradual server-side rollout rather than enabling it for everyone at once. Even if you're running the latest version of Google Maps, the feature may simply not be activated on your account yet. The rollout first started in the United States and is expanding gradually to eligible Android and iPhone devices. Google has also confirmed support is coming to Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and vehicles with Google built in over the coming months. Of course, this raises an obvious question: is Google playing catch up with Apple? Apple Maps has offered its highly detailed 3D city experience for several years and supported locations with realistic landmarks, lane guidance and rich visual navigation. Google's answer is different. Rather than limited advanced visuals to selected cities, it's combining an AI street view, imagery, aerial photograph and real-time mapping data to build a navigation system that works across many more roads and adapts dynamically as conditions change. That could make this one of the most meaningful map upgrades in years. Instead of simply telling you where to turn, Google is trying to help you understand the road ahead before you reach it. If it works as advertised, it could reduce missed turns, make complicated motorway interchanges less stressful, and improve confidence when driving somewhere new. For now though, patience is required. If you haven't received Immersive Navigation yet, you're not alone. Google is continuing its phased rollout There's currently no way to manually force the feature to appear beyond keeping Google Maps updated and waiting for Google to enable it on your account. So here's a question for you. Have you already received Google's new Immersive Navigation? Has Ask Maps appeared on your device? And if you've tried either feature, do you think it's genuinely useful? Or is it just another flashy AI upgrade? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the latest Google and Android news. So thanks for watching, take care of one another, and I'll catch you on the next one.